We are looking at how to pronounce correctly with the typical French pronunciation the name of this French composer, organist, conductor and pianist of the Romantic era. For reference, in France, in French it is said as Camille Saint Saëns. Camille, no L sound here, Camille Saint, silent T, Saëns. Camille Saint Saëns. It'd be fine in English to say it as Camille Saint Saëns. Camille Saint Saëns from French. Camille Saint Saëns. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from music and French names, famous French names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.